Role of tribal uprisings in India's freedom struggle. India's freedom struggle against the British colonial rule was a multi faceted journey which became successful only with the sacrifice and various movements led by the freedom fighters. While leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel are often celebrated for their role in the freedom struggle. It is also important not to overlook the significant contribution of tribal communities and their uprisings in the fight for freedom. These tribal uprisings were instrumental in shaping the course of India's freedom struggle. And this essay aims to throw light on their crucial role. The Adivasi or the tribal people of India have been the inhabitants of the land of Mother India for hundreds and thousands of years. These tribal or the Adivasi often choose to live together, which has led to the formation of various tribal communities of India having varied language, culture and traditions. These groups of people are generally very closely connected to the rivers, forest and their motherland. However, the advent of British colonialism in India brought significant changes in their life. The British sought to exploit the rich natural resources found in tribal regions, leading to the displacement of these communities and the alienation of their land. This oppressive colonial policy served as the catalyst for tribal uprisings. Tribal uprisings and their significance. Some of these tribal uprisings and movements led by various tribal leaders like the guerrilla movement led by Alluri Sita Ram Raju in the Gudem Hills of Andhra Pradesh and the Munda rebellion led by Birsa Munda in the region of South Ranchi are first the Santhal rebellion 1855 to 1856. One of the earliest tribal uprisings against British rule was the Santhal rebellion led by tribal leaders Sidhu and Kanu in present-day Jharkhand and West Bengal. This rebellion was born due to the oppression of the Santhals by the Jamidars. The Jamidars misused their power to oppress and enslave peasants, leading to resentment among the Santhal community. Santhal faced exploitation through high interest loans and lost their land and freedom. The British police supported jamidars and lenders in violently evicting the Santals. Their resistance lasted for several months, but the rebellion was brutally suppressed by the British, supposedly killing about 20,000 tribal. Second है बिरसा मुंडास मूवमेंट 1899 to 1900. Birsa Munda, a tribal leader from Jharkhand, led a religious and cultural movement known as the Munda movement. It aimed to restore the Adivasi way of life, resist forced labor, and challenge the British authorities. Birsa's followers played a pivotal role in raising awareness about tribal rights and identity. This rebellion, compared to the others, had less fatalities of about 6. But the movement faded out when Birsa Munda died in jail on 9 June 1990. The impact of the Munda revolt was the establishment of the Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act in 1908. The act banned the transfer of tribal lands to non-tribal owners. For further reading, check the following articles: Peasants Movement and Tribal Uprisings, Alori Sitarama Raju's Rebellion 1922 to 1924. थर्ड हेडिंग है. In the Andhra region, Alori Sitarama Raju led a revolt against the British, opposing their exploitation of tribal lands and resources. His guerrilla warfare tactics made a significant impact. The tactics of this warfare techniques used by Raju include intelligent warfare, assassinations, sabotage, terrorist acts, and mobilization of the tribal people against the oppressive forest laws and policies of the British government. The result of this movement was not very successful, and Raju was captured and executed in 1924. Fourth heading है Tribal Uprisings during Quit India Movement 1942. During the Quit India Movement of 1942, tribal communities in various parts of India actively participated. They joined forces with the Indian National Congress and other freedom fighters to demand an end to British rule. Last heading है Concluding. उपसंहार. The role of tribal uprisings in India's freedom struggle cannot be understood or depicted only by words. These movements, characterized by resilience, determination, and a deep connection to their land and culture, contributed significantly to the eventual liberation of India from British colonial rule. Thus, it is vital to recognize and appreciate the invaluable contributions of the tribal communities who fought not only for India's independence but also for the preservation of their way of life and identity. जय गुरुदेव।